But yo, my hair is the best thing about this is that it is not gel.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm phoning, somebody should have told her.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we're going to be doing another product review, but this time I'm going to be following a YouTuber that has done a wash and go with only one product, and you guys know I live for my wash and goes. So her name is Meme. She's half Nigerian but other known as Halfrican Beaute. Here on YouTube I will have her. There you go. That's her right there. So she did a wash and go. Her texture is similar to mine, and not everybody's texture is the same. I already know that, but I'm going to be trying to see if I get my hair as bomb and super defined just like she did with only one product. And the one product is Texture ID. I have never in my life tried this brand before, so this is my first time trying it. I went to Sally's Beauty today and I didn't have any time to do just a regular twist out of my hair, so I was like, you know what, let me do a wash and go and call it a day. But we're gonna switch it up a bit. It's a styling cream. It don't really have much of a scent. I mean, the scent isn't that great, but we're not doing it for the scent. We're doing it to see if it actually holds and defines my hair just like it did to hers. So we are going to be starting this video a little bit different because her hair was in twist while my hair clearly isn't in any twist. But I'm going to be doing section by section. I'm going to be combing it out and just adding water to it to just help me detangle, even though I detangle in the shower when I wash my hair, but still it's probably all matted by now. But I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to add the product in there. So that's the only difference that we're going to be seeing from her video to my video. I don't know about that 30 minutes, if I can do it in 30 minutes, but I'll guarantee that I'll be using only this product throughout my whole hair and seeing if the results is similar to hers. So if it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. My name is Chanel. I hope you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like what you see in this video. I do natural hair tutorials, product reviews, and all different random stuff here on the back. I have no idea why. Do not ask me why. I just normally start off to the back of my hair. So I'm gonna my hair isn't fully detangled, so I'm gonna spritz this here with more water and try to detangle as best as I can right now, so it works out perfectly. But I should have twisted up my hair like she did. So I'm applying a good bit of product. It's gonna be very heavy-handed like she was. Yo, I'll tell you, the scent is not that great. We're not doing it for the scent, we're actually doing it for the results, right guys? Right. I'm just gonna add in a little more here and there because there's a lot of product. And because I'm not using any gel, I want to make sure I get the product all over my hair, so it's going to take a longer time for me to run my fingers. As most of you guys may have the same problem, the crown of the hair is a little bit more texturized than the front and the back of my hair, so I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can relate to that. But the texture on the bottom of my hair, like the back hair, looks really, really good. And it looks really soft and properly detangled, but for some reason here it looks like it's popping up a little too much, so I'm going to keep rubbing my fingers through it to see if it makes any difference at all. I'm seeing a good bit of product build up still on here, so hopefully when it dries, the product itself blends into the hair, so I don't know, we'll see. Okay guys, so this is the result of my hair. It literally took me 29 minutes and 8 seconds to get all this done, so I was still able to do it within the 30 minutes like she said. But this is how it looks right now. It was very easy to run through my hair. So as you guys can see, my hair looks kind of wet and shiny, and there's still white stuff in certain areas of my hair. So I'm really hoping when it dries, all of this is out the hair and it won't have that white residue on it. And she didn't have that, so I'm hoping when hers dry, just like when mine dry, it'll be gone. So you can see my hair is very fine, very full. Like the back hair is already dried, so it's a little bit longer than the top. So I'm waiting for that to dry, so hopefully everything just falls into place. So I'll be checking in later, like a few hours later. Right now is 5:31. I'll be home all day today. So alright guys, so I'm back and it's around 7:02 right now, and as you guys can see, my curls are definitely popping. My hair is really soft, it's not really crunchy at all. I'm really surprised on how well this product did. Like, she actually did her thing. That product did pretty good. The insides of my hair is still wet, so I don't want to touch too much of the insides, but I just want to show you guys the dry part of it. I'm still seeing hair looking wet, and it still looks like it has like residue on there, or is it just a lighting? I have no idea. But anyway, if you guys do like what you see on this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to go over to her channel and subscribe as well, because she really put you all on with this.